Hey everyone, welcome back to Reviewer Winspections. Today, I have something a little different for you, an honest product review. We've all been there, scrolling through reviews, wondering if a product lives up to the hype. Well, today, I'm putting the best telescopes for astrophotography to the test. No fluff, no sugarcoating, just straight up honesty about whether this thing is worth your hard-earned cash. Stick around as we dive into the good, the bad, and the downright surprising aspects of top 5 telescopes for astrophotography. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button because, on this channel, we keep it 100%. Let's do this. Number 1. Celestron, AstroMaster 130 EQMD Newtonian Telescope. It's harder but not impossible to find a telescope for astrophotography, and the Celestron AstroMaster 130 EQMD Newtonian Telescope is one of the best below that price point. While the quality of the build and accessories can sometimes reflect the low price, users get excellent views of the moon and planets. That's also where this telescope shines when it comes to astrophotography, closer objects. A red dot finder, which shines a red dot on the lens, helps users hone in on their target, too. You don't have to wait for the moon to reach a certain phase to get a good look at the sky. Sometimes, you just want to capture the brief moment where Jupiter was in your view. You can use this telescope for viewing deep sky objects, but your chances of getting a good photo at those longer distances aren't great with this model. However, this value pick is perfect if you're just getting started. Number 2. Celestron, 114 LCM Computerized Newtonian Telescope. The Celestron 114 LCM Computerized Newtonian Telescope not only lets beginners start taking photographs right away but also introduces them to the night sky. The included mount even has a Sky Tour button that takes users on a guided journey through the heavens. While it doesn't have the optics to do deep sky astrophotography, you can connect a webcam, astrophotography camera, or mobile phone to start taking photos. Quick, straightforward assembly. Computerized mount makes it easier to identify and target objects. Includes Sky Tour button to get familiar with the night sky. You don't have to be an expert to assemble the telescope and get started right away, which is key for beginners. This model is also relatively lightweight and portable. They have included 2 eyepieces, 20mm and 10mm, a travel tripod, a motor drive, and a star pointer red dot finder scope. Accessories also include a free download of one of the top consumer-rated astronomy software programs. Number 3. Skywatcher EvoStar 80 Apo Doublet Refractor. The Skywatcher EvoStar 80 Apo Doublet Refractor offers an impressive array of optics that create vivid detail and image quality. However, attaining that quality may require the purchase of a few extra accessories. Consequently, this isn't a model for beginners. However, for advanced beginners, intermediate, and even some advanced astrophotographers, the EvoStar 80 provides the quality and ability to travel with the telescope. At only 7.3 pounds, you can take it to the local mountaintop for a broader range of spectacular views as you escape light pollution. The optical specs, including a 1.45 dawes limit, 1.75 Rayleigh limit, and 12 limiting magnitudes, squeeze every last ounce of optical quality, especially in a tube this size. If you know what you're doing and you're serious enough in astrophotography to know the difference between good and great optical quality, this is a portable telescope that will not disappoint. Number 4. Explore Scientific ED127 Essential Series. The Explore Scientific ED127 Triplet Refractor Telescope is a versatile telescope that can take, with the right accessories, photos of galaxies and other deep sky objects. Even in poor light conditions, the ED127 can capture impressive images. It comes with a 1.25-inch eyepiece adapter that fits some astrophotography cameras, but you may need a T adapter for certain DSLR cameras. This model also gets points for portability thanks to the handle on the tube rings. The handle makes it easy to mount despite its power and weight. However, this model doesn't come with a mount, so you'll have to purchase one separately, adding several $100s to the already splurge-wide cost. Additionally, this model cannot be used with a focal reducer, limiting its use in certain types of astrophotography. Can mount a DSLR camera to the cradle handle with additional accessories, light enough to be portable with handles on the tube rings, does not include mount, and cannot be used with a focal reducer. Number 5. Skywatcher SkyMax 180mm Maxutov Cassegrain. The Skywatcher SkyMax Reflector Telescope is a compound telescope that offers a long focal length and a relatively compact design. It weighs 17 pounds, and you get excellent, clear views of the moon, planets, and bright deep sky objects. A 1.25-inch adapter comes with the telescope, so you can directly attach a DSLR camera and get snapping once you've located the desired object. The f/15 focal ratio does mean it's considered a slow telescope, so taking deep sky shots is a little harder. However, as long as those objects are bright, this telescope can capture the images. Keep in mind that this model doesn't come with a mount. You'll have to purchase one separately. Depending on the type you choose, they can be pricey. Bright clear views of in-solar system objects, capable of deep sky viewing and images, relatively compact for the viewing power, including a 1.25-inch adapter. Please like, comment, share, subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.